In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the MidJourney bot to your own Discord server as of 2025. Whether you're looking to enhance your server's functionality or simply want to explore the creativity this bot offers, I've made sure these steps are straightforward and easy to follow. To get started with adding the MidJourney bot, there are a few things you need to have in place. Firstly, ensure you have managed server permissions for the Discord server you wish to add the bot to. If you lack these permissions, you'll need to coordinate with the server owner to have it added. Additionally, make sure you already have an active MidJourney subscription, as this will be necessary to fully utilize the bot's features once it's installed. Now, let's dive into the steps to add the MidJourney bot to your server. The first step is to join the official MidJourney Discord server. If you haven't done this yet, head over to their server. This is the hub where you'll find the bot and the necessary Add to Server link. Once you're in the MidJourney server, your next task is to find the bot in the member list. If you're using a computer, this usually involves looking at the sidebar. On a mobile device, you'll likely find it in a similar sidebar or accessible through the channel headers. After locating the MidJourney bot in the member list, you'll need to click on its name or avatar. This will bring up a pop-up with several options. Look for and click the button that says Add App or Add to Server. Then, select the server you have permissions for from the drop-down that appears. Next, it's time to authorize the necessary permissions. Once you've selected your server, a screen will appear detailing the permissions the bot needs to function properly. This might include permissions for sending messages, creating threads, or using /commands. Go ahead and click Continue or Authorize to give the bot these permissions. At this stage, you might have to confirm you're not a robot yourself, just a simple security measure. After successfully adding the bot, it might be worthwhile to check permissions or tweak channel settings, though this part is optional. By default, the bot can function across your server, but if you want to limit its scope, navigate to Channel Settings, then Permissions. Here, under Apps or Roles App Settings, you can disable Use Application Commands for @everyone or specific roles, effectively controlling where the bot can be active. Further customization can be achieved by adjusting the bot's role or setting custom permissions via Server Settings under Integrations or Bots and Apps. And there you have it, your guide to seamlessly integrating the MidJourney bot into your Discord server. Enjoy exploring the creative possibilities it brings to your community.